Hello everybody, today we are test driving Range Rover Evoque 2019 which came in with the Adblue counter kicked in and other issues. The problems has been solved. We are test driving with the owner driver. Sir, what can you tell us about your car? How was it before and how is it feeling now?
It was slow on the acceleration, it was chucking out black smoke, it was struggling to start, it was causing me stress.
And also start-stop, late to start, isn't it?
Late to start, stop, you'd question yourself when you're in traffic whether it would actually start again, and really struggling on the colder mornings especially.
How is the acceleration?
Acceleration was sluggish, unresponsive.
Now?
Now you just touch the pedal and
it goes.
You just go. You just
got
feel
a smile on your face.
I've got a smile on my face.
Okay. Lastly, can you see any black or white smoke from the side mirror?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Are you happy, sir, in generally?
Couldn't be happier.
Okay. We'll be turning left, turning right, sorry, on the next turning.
Yeah.
So you can reach me on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR problems. We are the masters. And also we are Quantum Tuning EC Programming Center and Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center. We are certified, RREvoque certified garage and a certified diagnostic center. Thanks for watching and please click on like button and subscribe my channel for the latest videos. Thank you.